All right, we are back. I'm Car Brown for say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Uguso Kona Pro Bono Ewo Honum and a pay brekum and Obebanti brekum adishe Monya Crado na fe Munina Mampeyi Bedi Momwa na Akwanya Bibana so okay Vieguna Suma, what Miaka de Habrikum Manso Edia to Nanimiti. Brown for tall, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Uguso Oko. So do any tre a Tiffy man Tem Honoma. Deputy Minister, Mines and Natural Resources, and in your for community candles. So, now, probably, if I'm Yamia soon could be a galamsey or a mining ones and Samuel on to Sapro, Aprono, Honomunti, more mobile gun, Ramushian, and Tamalifonso, Movishiano, into Move, now small scale mine and a galamsey ones and Samuel, said the animal to Nikokama Kamano, Mohama Bibia, and to talk a Naquem. Give us Scientific Herbal Clinic for one other Roma. And the Obokata Tiffany Seminary, bro. Give us cool capsules, give us power capsules, and give us herbal mixture. Phone on 0543-222-470 and 050-6851-135. Now on in the and Sawasona Bibia, Intimi Enko, and Kai and Fam. Metro, the Ebia Air the body Peduana, Metro give us cool capsules, and give us power capsules. And if give us herbal mixture. Yeah, called the Obokata, so no, the individual kind and pay the Ghanaian Times. Ghanaian Times, GFA blows $700,000 on classified indemnity payments. And on classified indemnity payments, all these hit Kumasi streets to protest hardship. And New Times Board inaugurated. The big one, service conditions of health workers. Groups refuse to sign. They don't know the contents. Hey. I say when you must know the idea concerns.
And your mom sign. Sign braba.
And now, me sure I don't think me. I'm not for no more.
And
what's some kind?
The
Ghanaian Times.
And the Ghanaian Times, and Aquabinadia Bay, you know what for the and said, okay. Any a day, a chassis, Kumase, almost in your man, Quay, or my share, new one, some pay mamma. A back can also do so near who tribunum. It is said your boys and girls are bram or for swabber. Then you will see Cromia, Yatra, baby, coffee fire. Yes, you could hear Mensia. So more day and simply be more tuneful. Now, what the Timene, Mampay Mamma, dear Sakama. It's in your next time be out the Mampany, a Bessia, Mudia Sa, a Biant, you be a bem this and walk and go Mampanya soon, Samuel of for so bread. It's only be more too for a Biswako regional minister. No, yes, almost your Munko to get. I almost shot Womonamina, and I'm so made. Oh, it's another Ghanaian Times the buy and watching, so don't say Apomodane. Juma ya fuel quote as a doctor for anyone ya keke home pharmacy for to say condition of service and the pie was ye do aquemo na show moon crying said of cabinet show crying no pebia now I sorry woman dear and tessa it will acquire Juma crown out to say what the aboboni be and air conti so we show mukra modiaba and the Munabasa show betia. And now so for no shop or modern or no a day when she be a balance to send you more canoe. Yeah, question no one tiasie. It is so much woman sabetima see a pass. Sans share no yamfa, and more omajumana opera room so montiasi. I see. In some way, no, not the Ghanaian Times.
1760 or text message line. The February intimate gibberish so can come out. Give us for Adarama and Asankomo Yedebro. The Republic say Minister launches Mobex 15. Omane Boames ICT initiative takes shape. And the big one, Spios bank switch headache worsens. Finance Ministry distances itself as Osako to traitor, walks and talks free. The Republic. Asamoah blackmailer goofs. Yeah, and
they say no our diatum. Our diatum say again dear was say so. Okay. And your so phone you do a hokama. Now what you say again ya faburunya ho awe crackers do. So who saw ya some word giant open sick can be a and I'm dying na my yemi say ya doso. Me per house help and I what you be a saying meji. Eh na some yanka meji. As I'm word Jessica bebriba oji. Eti ya inti send ya ho sem na kwa akoye no. And a lawyer for no dink it. I was a girl no so credit police for. Okay. Say as I'm word esan so efa ne to
oh
eti wase wo tu moja kra nti eno na wasasa mo abeyi na no me hwe se bia eto de no so na ni eje ho a because eto no anu asi o kwabena anu asi because
no mo ho ahomti
adan ema no
mo ho ahomti mema so sese ye ehwe yi titru nyame ye adom na enmunyam hwe ni din gie kase
ni betuto
so a yenye careful ye wo adwuma ti sei mu ye tojom ye wo mrahye dwom ye mampanyin ye asofo a yidimu a nyame ani munyam wo yeso no ye wo nwumaku ahodo bi ma eno so no etimi ye wo dibia hronko saa de na egusu koso nti ma no ye mema ye hwe yie no na ma no so wo hwe mo ho yie se dodo na ya akoye se wo so bia ko gina dibia bia na mo fa akwani ase nyina
so
na ni munyam abafom
na da mo che Joseph Odwane ye Joseph Odwane Bible si dwane adwamamo
enye nyoma nyina na obetumi adwane afiri ho eno ti na ahweyi ehia no enkokora nkosi mu ansa na wakodwane meka bi ma me ho ba me kire se si ye nipa yi nyoma ne bi wo ho a wa ahweyi a
abna meye hu sunsun pe enso ho na ma
onyi sade ne tum
sunsun pe
ba kuna na emre no
boapa
boapa yo
boapa
okay
boapa
all right
so enti se ga ne do demande eti wo hwemu asamwoja no wo hwe ni mu se DNA test ebe koso na wo hunu san ampanyin san ne ye ne dia but girl ne lawyer Morris Ampao wo hwan so ne asamwo akra wo issues dada na tonton penalty fi akona from abono na chese wo dem eti lawyer Ampao chemu se won twema girl no enwo wo akoda no
akoda ye kasa akoda ne mai asasi so
wo ma onya wo ma asasi so
1760 or text message line February NJ Brainian King Kama Daily Graphic Asamoah contest university students pregnancy and Ghanaian appointed MTN CEO the big one jail Kolebu CEO chairman for contempt dismissed director demands photographs Anthony Mauli Sala chairman of the Kolebu board and Dr. Gilbert Bakel the CEO of Kolebu and Nwasem and so Daily Graphic
okunyini Daily Graphic na sam eno no sa wo sha ekwabena Kolebu nsensam ne de ene doso pa wanyen so ayeyi wadie ne na sefo no we ya ba ye no kwankyerefo panyi a wono na pharmacy no oda no wo Kolebu no se ne yanchi your friends CEO no ene mpanyimfo binom esan so ma ye contempt se wo court na court no guso ya omo hwe yanyi ntumu se bia court no nyi ntumu se bia CEO no ye che no ene na sefo nso ni nyina no twitwitwi no eda so ekoso ni sikadie bia akokọ koso wo Kolebu eno apotwe a ene wo muguso na Asamoah Gyan nso no so ebeka ho npo de seja achechi ndada
1760 text message line February NJ Brainian came out give us for Adaroma one and they give us cold capsules give us power capsules and I give us herbal mixture aba ejaso one needs also 0543222470 and I say 05068511135 na one in kasa dey bi adane kranko eda so no one eboa awa kwanya se nyina so titiri so wonu mato ana se untimi ndidi eno achi so no malaria ana se typhoid bi edi unya give us herbal mixture eboa kwanso ko Dal Hatch the obokata na dey to aso Mills's death Akuto say has a point fear of the unknown was key and constituencies marginally won in 2012 28 seats up for grabs in 2016 group storms NDC party headquarters to protest neglect and appointees arrogance Dal Hatch the obokata and also some no
enti Dal Hatch nso eno no mampanyi ma osi a wanya ne baby kro no wasande na sem abam sania osi woni munyamfo Akuto sei wono na NPP abreso na wo hwe sika semeso no ya bedi akire ena wo kire mu sai mampanyi ma osi ni wuo no enye kwa eti eni wasa mampanyi ma amajeje mu atutu na jeje mu no hwehwem na Ghanafo eni wiase nyina yehuna de kropote ya mampanyi ma osi ku no esansa se na wo kire se wo kan komu ayesansa na papa no wo be free mu no na se ehu bi kwabena ehyeni mu se na wo kan show di oben wo no asa no wo suro se edipa bi nya no bone a wo be di sana Dr. Akuto say eka eti Dal Hatch de kire mu se nia Dr. o say eka no wo betima nyanyina so bi eti se mampanyi ma ma tinani na wa hye mampanyi mouse ni wuo ne ho a ekebeboa pa ena no achi nso mrahye bedwa nkonya no ahoro beye aduonu nwotwe 28 seats bi ewo ho a ene yese NDC o MPP o yo bebo ne homadin bia na wapre no sene ya ayi Isaac ko ka kire ne ba konde sesew ye wanya inhira no wo se wo kentere wo ho a eti parties 2 no yo ba kentere ne ho bia no 28 seats ewo mrahye bedwafie mu no obefa ne kokopa eti ne omonyere omoho.
Well, quickly at the headlines in the Bamanafi, Yako, Rocket Fadarama Online, but the Daily Guide, and $4 million flown to Brazil, gold dealers cry foul, and naked demo to hit Flagstaff house. The big one, drama over a Samojan's girl. Daily Guide, quick one, and Sunny, the Chronicle, so 12, and Daily Guide also, or the Abba.
Daily Guide, Samoa Jandi and one so what the Abara Samoa Chiadoska. On Chiarabende, say Bama Discaba and Samoa. Sa would this cana would be Daily Guide, the buyer, and Sicadroya, they call Brazil, as so once and some no.
Okay. The Chronicle. Chronicle, so somehow, or the Abba, I'll say, read defamatory publication about James Nahi, and then Ochiame invokes gods against anti-Mahama voters. The big one, Ghana is in tatters under Mahama, say marching oldies. The insight, also near the Twaso, letter of the month, fake abortion doctor raped 52 women, and who has some inside the Wakata, also Ediaba Daily Searchlight. In service to God and country, bring Accra mayor to parliament to Agban Barbin. And the big one, a Samoajan in sex blackmail drama. The Daily Dispatch. Being an Akufo-Addo loyalist was the reason Opare Hammond was a target. The Daily Dispatch. The New Crusading Guide. Mahama under pressure as Kumasi oldies hit the streets. An uproar at passport office. Sodom and Gomorrah demolitions. Shraj waits in controversy, and extend days for BEC reset, National Council of Parent-Teacher Associations suggest. The Enquirer, Part 1, rot at cocoa board. Opuni endangers cocoa quality with hasty contrast to cronies, and AMA warns squatters not to rebuild. Gold deals, Mirabix Koi dribbles government again, diverts to small-scale mining business, Ketsi Minerals Commission. And we have this one, the Daily Post. President Mahama to attend London African Investment Summit. Big one. MPP plots to take over PNC. Candidates to be fielded against Bernard Mona at Congress. Abu Ramadan, Atik, to be sponsored to win General Secretary, National Organizer positions. And finally, graphic show base, Anya Debro. Celebs hooks up and breaks up. And the big one, no one can force me to reveal my baby daddy, says Miss Bell. And big picture here of Miss Bell, the musician. So that's it, 1760, your text message line. Fabre and Enjibre, na yankin canning in Ama. You call online stories, so in Tempa, and no make say rock for Adaroma, and yade online stories, no ebro. If we Rockman Rock Clinic for some say in Rahood on the Abejason, Ebene Rockman capsules, rock capsules, rock garlic mixture, Malarok, rock tonic, and a rock laxative. And no chins maybe are now OPB atwa or do any Kumasi, Alaba, Abu Station, one is Sikosika, if you're in a share, and Kraso Adenta Pantan Junction, Medina, New Road, one Ben Anglican Church, you know, and I feel Memu. Odu any pharmacy shop bia and I said drugstore bia memo baby ano unye bi ako ye call my joy online rock for Adaroma na anope ye hwen sema hodo a egu ehonom okọ my joy on ana adom rather my joy online okodu ono ma ensem ni bia ebobo ba samoja no nsensem no apie wo prekope afi jamfa report no state institutions paid to fly ehun sensemeka afre Sodom and Gomorrah so nsema abano yera Jake Otanka obechebi so ode ne ho na no abetum sa ensensem we mu ti ukowa ensema hodo a AC wo mam ni ye wi asafo na yina no my joy online bank switch ho sensem so no enya chefa e de nchiremu so nko so abeto my joy online eno ache be ko adom ye ko adom ka say Rock Clinic Limited one Adaroma anasa ye stories ye de bro adom online so ensem ni bia e bofa hono no definitely asamoja no nsem no eyiti wono mo one lawyer Morris Ampao afei nsem ni bi so a todwa e wo hono no nyoma hodo a ene Sodom and Gomorrah so one de atodwa ana ye maame no so mutu anamon wo Kumasi ho nsem so echefa wo adom online ye de be si ha they ada Rock for as a Rock Clinic Limited ya de bia ada ne crown down so bia no bra wo de kodam Rock for no na eboa wo akona senyina bi maame ka Rockman capsules one de abadwa so bema odusi ani ma na kasa no IP no one year for prekope e de amount san so na Rock garlic mixture wo ho ase 933 san so 833 si anansi ache wo se da bi Rock garlic mixture no eboa amasa ha no nyina etime free hono Rock cool laxative so oyema team na koko su di unya eboa otu sa ha no nyina se efri hono dodo na nkasa de Rock Clinic Limited one ono nkasa na afehwe na kira kwan e Kumasi Alaba Abuabu station one sika firi di anim hwe Adenta Pantan Junction obohu on wo so na Madina New Road one ben Anglican asafo no 1760 text message line and pay down for jai betters ana down for jai mixture one so that ma ira asem kese mu a enesa yen komo no ebe kwa akogina prison for adwuma woni di ene nhihye sonku bi a se Ghana fo nyina ye agi atuma ebeba prison for asitenem na afei ye nyina na etimi di ye atuye ye kwa ba ye ba ye bedi sa nkomo no ewo asem kese
My name is Senior Chief Officer Edward Papo, and I've worked for 34 good years. I was transferred from headquarters to Tamale Central Prison 4 years ago, and there's a room that they give me. Because of that, I can't allow my family to join me. Once a while, if they comes, look at this small place. I have 2 kids with wife.
So your face will not be shown. We will blur your face when we are editing.
Well, medical catch us a name common I be a prison for a home common internet or a crowd over your my cost prison for being more quenya Yamount it yet Sonko cra or a nay insano jumem a be an hour into when a year in Yanama a biaco prison one insano juman no quanswa one of us one of that bia one of that I don't know Meche Okogana Miamia prison Libya. Say ana ho asem esitie enya asem papa ena nya de papa ana pebe paucho say bia na wakukudu ade behwe sawo nyini bia na e wo fom a ade a ahomti na hadwen yi kese pa Ghana bia eye yenu na prison for so no wonu gya onan ene na wo hu no we ye bia wonu da ipadodo egu wonu wa nkasa wo hwe no wuti hu se ho asem no kana e bia na wo fie now the team partner say be on the prison to nkwanta mapai and I say mu asem no kwan na wa yi pa dia and pay ma men kai say enye no kresa na intimi nye no kresa nipa dodo na nipa binom so e wo eye president sisi ame no ka say nyame nkwa nim kwan on fa asoko pie ono ebetimi ato ebetimi ato me nti nkoma a ebedi no wotawa so yie pa bo say yampa say ebre aso say yetu anamon bi a ebeboa ama yenyina no yenim kyina asem na yenim the next minute amane a ebeto yen asem a ebekan esan bi ebefa yakwan mu ntino yemfa ye ho nhye nhyehyɛ sonko a na prison service council for ede aba ana won de ba say afiase project no yenhwɛ ho asem na yenka sa pii no yebema Ghana asofo mpanyufo a won de Ghana ho asem je nyem wonwa sɛ wakopie sa council emu nyem wonwa sɛ nipa kakra bi na ye nyame adwuma wono de Ghana ho yiedie Ghana kanko na afei enya na safo manko a Ghana de hye dodo na yasetirem so no wono hwɛ sɛ yiedie no ebetimi akonkan nti anopai me da sofo panyin wengama se pii sɛ oni bresa ne mu de fa Ghana ho bia de ojebre de na daje man de ne nkyire mu ba ono ana titinani prison council no ono na eda no eku a abaya power sɛ wono hwɛ na sinto bia abi wo ho no ono so ntwena adwene maso na ontimi hyehyɛ ho kama na obebuza sɛ na de empote pa na amasofo on de baby oso opɛ no prison for bia ana oso opɛ obedi sa nkyire mu ne be man ansa na de nyame de ato board na koma so sɛ fiase project no edi enti na baza me meti ebe na mako prison sa obi so ka ofi me da me pɛ me ye madwuma kama me ni asem ye be na metima ko prison na mum ebi edi nkomo ya so no obeti di enti sɛ anamo a wono de agu on team no enyi etimi boa amaniko Pebble Fisher pa
I think I'm better.
Bibia boko there. Very privileged.
It's a great honor to be Adom TV.
Yeah.
I mean, show where you
yes, you can count and yet you and ya show so. As we the papi say and then Nyame Adom. Yes, you the Yabisha. Now Nyame asem to saying Christo world not saying Christianity ko ye.
Well, Nyame Adom asafo tumpong Sunday when ye Father's Day or Cedar Mountain Chapel. Yeah. Me year 1 month crusade.
Okay.
Me them say Father's Day and ye be di papa. Ye be di ni say Mother's Day.
Correct.
Enti be afi 5 years ni afi bia maso nyasam ketwa.
Okay.
Me wo medal bia me de be ma o.
Okay.
Me pon a
Okay.
me ye special medal.
Okay.
I actually so world greatest father.
Wow.
Eje bi oba sorry Sunday ye de decorate on some
Great.
book bi actually so dare to be a dad. Now man in your call say even the mothers your mom actually become a jewelry box almost say no can see a gold to another the yama a janum medal yes and the book aka ho
Whoa.
ya mejuma de yegu so
Good. But you be come out and see but the because nay yenyam saa ese ebusa ho mu nsem kakra ne de ho mu komo kakra eboa e ma ye hu Ghana ye sibre ne ye be kenkan ne hu bi a nipa bi ne mu hye edum se Ghana ase ba bi a de anya che no se obi na de nano aka bibi ana ne Ghana ekwa ahuhie ma na se huhum wi ase no Ghana ya hye nso de no efe
you okay Bible or say the men of Issachar understood the times and as a result they led their brethren. Chim was say Issachar and Memano no more tea omo mbre nyem biase enu nti omunya nkandie e wo mu nuanom so so we a student of the Bible na unim nyama Bible aka fa ewie mra enu wa na esi oka Haggai 2 I will say ewie mra bu no mewuso amamma nyinara na amamma nyina ho bechi won se na bi amamma nyina be pagya wo mani a kire me Nyankopɔn. Nyame adom be 2 months in me Canada, me US, and all over the world, you know, there's a shaking it because if you embrace naso, Yesu mai na ben pa. Paul can be say there'll be perilous times, there'll be difficult times. Even though some of the problems that you face here, ya ni ye there, but do na nyame asem aka afa ho. Na me na American is yenya rehye, bo yenya gide we rademo. Na nyame asem a kyerɛn sɛ bɛma nsuo kura atene ɛwɔ sere so sɛ yɛtumi hyɛ yɛn ho den na sɛ yɛyɛ ne sɛ sɛ yɛyɛ ne yɛpagya yɛn ni kyerɛ Awurade a megye sɛ Ghana ne yɛfam no nyame bɛtumi ayi yɛfam.
Yamra the main issue no so a fiase project a
Okay.
Only paying for Modia to Macoma, so some person to animal. A dear Potina Cosa project in Diana Mopesemunia, Adentia, Manchimukakra.
Yo, many of them that was brave. Medical dam multimedia say, must ya say, a bepe courtesy call on Quisichum or be any doors mayen, Emma, Bear America Cranium network in another mama and platform, say yen cap prison and who asem, and medical that Quisichum, Adum TV, Joy FM, Adum Obia network in Yamisha Mobebre. Osha Ghana, a prison in Sema, you better. Said Kwame Boateng Swase documentary or a Kenya Obiama and ne Obia who's assistant. Nika say you 43 prisons were Ghana. Nyen sapena ye share the sea say ye prison. The duona na ye colonial this British colonial era no old castle forts, any warehouses, any ye Danny eda ye prison. Inti Emma intumi mwaye we juma ye no. United Nations standard minimum rules shall say. Anchor prisoners and they say to me separate one. Ni all remand. Ni yendi nasem. Police force judge say mundi kan enfanin tree prison. Ako say mre bedi nasem. Idi omu gina fra. Like I say man double punishment. Na chire po ikodi nasem na say say ebia no hon kan ya boni bi ani wa. Afa so anka say to me de omo mo ye boni keto ano egu one place. Na omo mo di boni ewuo ni armed robbery egu one side. Say see an say bibia e won iso an ntumi chiche omunti ni do ma fra. Enu nti na so bi ko wia banchi onyi ni mpiembre no next time kum nipa is usua bakofra hardened criminals no your 15,000 prisoners were Ghana na your prisons ni nyina nke se to me fa 9,000 and so 15,000 prisoners ene ewom okokuma se central prison you see mouth 450 many abama make us say 2,500 prisoners they go
out of nipa
450 no 2,500 no omo toilet air 5 okon sawama you see my 850 make us say a little over 3,500 in the go and the prison cell be at the fine be a tea a feed board they call him hey I send crofo fine crofo be 15 e da ho no crofo be 80 and e da ho ohun se na mu yi wo documentary mo no amoda na honam ka onua honam it is skin diseases enti na obi was skin disease or the bema na mu no kra na e say bi gina ho woda be 3 hours na menya na o se menua ye mesumeda kakra e san say ye two omopurumu by 6 no enti ama ye see toilet e wo cell ho because anajo ntumi nka say opia ko ha ntifa ne say wontumi na onua agya ne nanse
gina ho na wohwe
na ugina ho na wohwe ade ba ko so a ɛha yɛ ɛyɛ asɛfɛm paa yɛ prisoners apomodin menya bema ye were 15,000 prisoners ne were 5,000 prison officers o de omobo mu a 20,000 ye ni hospital ba ko po ye ni doctor ba ko po
police hospital
your police hospital that is a military hospital yes ye security agency and so man phone bu ye bu doctor ye bu police for ye bu and so fa ne say prison ni wa o man bi ntumi ntompon adekunti a wotumi sorry be juma e bia criminal bi wo ho adwembone o nso kai prison pe na adwembone no ayeden ayera
ya beti asiasa as of mine because me woni me ka say ye be so be na me obi order
enu na ye launch project fiase no ye educate either mama in platform he say prison you be a second home ye will be a friend infirmary ni ye prison na chiriba meka na chiriba ketwa hwi ni ho okohu para okonya paratama bo ho a na enyame adom ade ba ko so a eye asefem a ha prison pa eye sika ye de omuaduane abama e 1 Ghana cedi 80 pesos
1 Ghana 80 pesos
yes afi so logistics and net 21st century mini abema ye the prisoners e kokota ye do fa trotro ye cars nyina e break it down 15,000 then can be to me a free ye 15,000 acres of land it to me cultivate 1,000 per it's so so ye farming large scale so ye mechanized farming tractors in yama ye nibi na baby cars for the prisoners na call a former akoko ejuma no ebi eni ho me ade ba ko so high empire skills training constitution ni kire say omo brand e see to me say sawo na to me omo nsa no ejuma see na be yo pie on san ko bokro no biom carpentry shop masonry shop ni na ye empty 2,500 inmates shop ba ko pe a bed then na womutumi etu anamo
okay,
ewo ho.
So when you say nkomo edi.
God.
Me ma said dey say omo hwe so ma said dey na mo every year.
Enunti na ye pese two problem na se no prison council be 3 months ni ya courtesy course ya president ho akọ chief justice akọ attorney general ho akọ IGP ho esan so omo nyina ne ye na affect ye adwuma no ye ni omo akasa so omo nhwe no mtutu nyama yie afi so sesi ano ye launch project fiase the first part ne say ye pese obi atia say prisoner eye wunua na prison bituma ye obi a ne fie hwe adekunta bi no we ni prison say esan say mra ne nche ye ye nyina traffic ye jump traffic de bia imran ye nya nche wo entia afi so odi ni 200 years kra obepie no konya TB wo ho okonya HIV/AIDS wo oba ono betena trotro mu or the TB be ma wo na wo di ama wo ba once sa na se oba obeye hardened criminal with security enye guaranteed bible mu kra bible kire se wan hwe yi a wan ma we nko prison na obetuma kwa bon se je mo se me na me the prison wan ma hwe me Joseph ko prison Paul ko prison Nkrumah ko prison JB Lagwa ko prison Nelson Mandela ko prison ebeye president aden na yentumi resource prison na prisoners obetumi free prison embedi ye man so many abema inti eno ne first part of project fiase say Ghana for better sound margin it also mean no Tuesday 30th of June President Mahama ebe launch project fiase amayen ye bie bank accounts ebema SMS short code year 24 million Ghanaians obiama ya 1 Ghana cedi ye betumi raise 24 million cedis one touch na sasa economy ni abema betumi yema bi bre e dia boyen enti esre Ghana for ena ejuma ye for no companies no omo adopt prisons omo corporate social responsibility utumi adopt akose prison Tamale prison na ma boyen e bia carpentry shop with the equipment kogu wo afeso we are into public private partnership private sector who sika na betumi aboa ne ayefu a ye no betena se ne aka profit ba one man kakra ubenya cheap labor na won so de kakra aboa Ghana Prison Service and which near launch project efiase enye one time project enye one time donation etuaso afibo aha afeso ade ba ko a ye di sie no so pa ya pese tumi ne say ye mpese obema ye sika na ye hu ne di sika na be ye enti on that day no ye launch 10-year strategic development plan if you do me so mama if you do na mama ye sika me na be ma make sure Ghana for boss ye be stand the face of Ghana prison e bit me say abrochi there enu nti na ye de plan ato ho e be start from 2015 afi we launch it this year na kapre bia de be mai no afi bia prison service council ba bebu akonta mo be hu evidence say sika na mo de mai no aye enti enu nti ya pekatesi calls on US ambassador to Ghana, UK ambassador to Ghana, Chinese ambassador to Ghana. Adenti uko prisoner foreigners wo be 800 enti yesi embassies no so nye den emwa yen afeso ade ba kwa nyame adom yetumi pushi yekope ketesi call on chief justice no ye man documentary kwa me boatin documentary no o hwe ne man report na me pese wusu e wa normal directive say judge bi anye den enti ohwe we na mu yisisia na omo no mo hye court no ye judges
no mu wura mu sa
no mo ko hu ye no mo tie ni so me tie Joy FM mo say oh efi ne ko me sentences amema no me ma no enye hye esa na osama say April ni May no ye fanhwe remand case because 21% of our 15,000 population no eye remand ye ndi o masem da 4 years we can call court eda ye show letter command His Excellency the President sanka 1st July be we prison council ye need to for prison ho and come amnesty nyame adom wasom bema amnesty 1st July na ye sample ketesi call him the catcher ne say ye sre no onya mrembe sre Ghana prisons and also wasom on the 3rd of July President Mahama for the first time a sitting president echo prison akohwe ye conditions Monday na menya call me for chief justice was so for but this president kwa mention mekobi UK ambassador to Ghana and so afre so beka ho any prison council for na akwa sra prisons no to show the whole world say you do baby say Ghana prison no ye hu bibi e nim boase because unia beko wan kopo a Yesu be bisa o on the judgment day then na we fa prison ho enti esre obia se mo meboa yen na ntumi nsesa the face of Ghana prison.
Well the catch was komo no untimi nyete say jositi adwene no ebesisa meje the CCC one say ayehu because the description is that a second home but just by grace and I sleep phone call here in the probability yeah very 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 high slippery pa into adumbi keke and that's so e dey krakra into nyina yen krakra prison for anyone officers ni nyina mo go ho na bibia ntimi ko ba de maybe amani agino the effectiveness and efficiency of yes can compagino no because Ghana for no do na so say one cedi ye dey to account to be mu no ehon den kakra any other means and options am be mama Ghana for say bia oko ha o just drop it in this bin o be how effective or share my dan say walk to this bank pass here go here and be kakra
one man a good idea in fact eno ento ya dwiemu ya nti no ye ne a bit still be multimedia and other popular places
exactly reliable places
na wetumi afa ho na bin bi ho na wo de sikatum mesro be brother ba ko so ehia yen prison officers no omo ye mobo unim esan say 8 hours omo sad probable condition mun omo so more than prisoners enti prisoners no yare no omo fa no omo de abro omo yi no omo ma no omo da single room 1/3 of prison officers and 80 outside the barracks is CA 19 to the 1930 enya renovation da single room on ne ba be 5 the TV ni fridge si abontin enunti na again we need private investors ye wo lands bebre betumi ne wo assessa na wotumi see quarters amayen na yetumi improve the condition of the prisoners.
All right, so da CP so wenga
so
ono na ye penye or that prison service councilor no one na monto to a fiase project and it is kese ba ko de aba no penny say ye gi enuanom so no man penny or tissue ya demonstrate say ono so no na need the actually into Chief Justice UK ambassador na me at my 3rd of July omo to anamo akoswe mia hodo enuanom a won dey fiase no say the nyoma ko na omo so ahode ne omo nim de ene omo nyansa won de abo so for be de fa engostrato Ghana so na fa eye engostrato multimedia so na fa prison for so de maso asoto amai yemompai
ejapa ye da wase e bompai se rade ubebi osoro ama multimedia tere won hyanmu na rade omo koso anye kase na eba media dwuma mu a erade omuntumi mu na Ghana ntumpon me workers wa ha nyina hye won sa pesi twumi hye won sa erade ye tiefuo so a ene wo mo hwe ye nde biara erade ye nim se Ghana ye din ye bompai se wo so be ma nsu atene e wo sere so ma nsu ntene wo ye sere so na ne de obi akoma so no yema won within 24 hours kire utumi e wo Yesu Kristo dim na mabompai amen
me kai mo say Janum nyina Father's Day say dey be dey be chira so for no because hono you feel proud kakra so if that's a short notice but wa be kai ho so that's it ye ko na afi Wallace e dey go can see abro